Children, till now 6 lessons completed. Lesson 7. What is the name of the lesson 7? Temperate climate, grasslands. What is the lesson name? Temperate climate, grasslands. About the landscape of this grasslands. There are some parts in the world which have extreme climate. Some parts of this world have extreme climate. Summers are hot and winters are cold. Extreme climate means what? Summers are very hot, winters are very cold. So, some not receive sufficient rainfall. Some places not receive sufficient rainfall. In that region, only grasses grow. Only grasses grow. Do you know grass? That grass only grow in some parts on this world, because there are no sufficient rainfall. Enough rainfall is not there. Because of that, only grasses grow in that regions. Only these grasslands found in temperate zone only. Where do we find? We find grasslands in temperate zone. In this world we have grasslands. So many grasslands are given here in your textbook. Open your textbook page number 47. See all of you. This is the world map. Here given continents. Okay. In these continents and this grasslands also located with green color. Okay. The South American grasslands are called pampas. In America there are grasslands. These are called pampas, where it is in south part of America. In America, grasslands names pampas. In Australian, the name of the grasslands, downs. What is that? Downs. And in Russia, it is called steppes. In Russia, it is called, the grasslands are called steppes. In South Africa, it is called fields. In South Africa, the grasslands are named fields. And the treeless grasslands of United States of America. In America, treeless grasslands, which are called prairies. Those are called prairies. In South America, what we call the grasslands names pampas. In Australia, downs. In Russia, we call it steppes. In South Africa, we call fields. In treeless grasslands of United States of America, which we call prairies. Prairies is a French word. Prairies means what? Meadows or grassland. Prairies means what? Meadows or grassland. Okay, observe this world map. Here given with green color, denoted this with green color, these grasslands. Okay, in Australia, Africa, South America, North America, in Asia, Europe. You observe this map, you can find out this pampas, downs, steppes, fields and prairies. Okay children. Before settlement of Europeans, this region was grazing ground for herds of bisons. Bison is an animal. Herds means so many gathered in one place. We called that animals group herd. So, before settlement of Europeans in this land, this region was grazing ground for herds of bisons. See here given bisons, animals. Bison is a animal given here, see. So this is the grazing ground. Only animals comes and eat that grass before settlement of Europeans in that place. This place for used for that bison animals. During winter, north part of grassland covered with snow. During in winter season, north part of this grassland covered with full snow, but southern part there is no snow. In only north part covered with snow in winter season, but in southern part there is no snow. Okay children, which lesson? We are reading temperate climate, grasslands. There are some parts in the world which have extreme climate. Extreme climate means summers are very hot and winters are very cold. Some places doesn't receive the sufficient rainfall. So in that areas only grasslands grows. Where we find grasslands? We find grasslands in the temperate zone. And we call the South America grasslands or pampas. In Australia we call it downs. Russia steppes. South Africa fields. These are important for fill in the blanks as well as for true or false. And matchings, choose the correct words. These bits are very important. Where we find grasslands? In the temperate zone. What we called grasslands in the South America? Pampas. What is the name of the Australian grasslands? Downs. What we call the grasslands in Russia? Steppes. What is the name of the grasslands of Africa? Fields. And what are the names of America? Treeless grasslands? Prairies. Prairies means what? Meadows or grasslands. Prairies means what? Meadows or grasslands. Before the settlement of Europeans, I said about one animal name. The herds of animals grazed in the field of that areas before the settlement of Europeans. What is the name of that animal? Bison. This is also important bit. And during in winter season, north part only covered with snow and south part there is no snow. Okay, this is the landscape of the grasslands, which we call temperate zone. Okay, in the next class we will learn about the location and climate of the region grasslands. Okay children.